Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I hope to earn your subscription today. In this video, we are doing something pretty awesome, something to do with the Wednesday series that has just come out on Netflix. So let's just start off the story by I was going to the dump and I saw all of these beautiful porcelain dolls that were just sitting there waiting for a new home, and I was like, girls, come on, you're coming with me. And unfortunately, some of them do have like some damage. I think this is moth damage actually, so it must have been in a box in someone's attic or basement, and it just got a little bit ruined. I have one that looks pristine. I am keeping her as my holiday Christmas doll, which is pretty cute because I don't really vibe with Christmas, but we are going to this year. Anyway, we are going to prepare this beautiful doll to be our Wednesday Addams. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is this rat's nest of a hair here. I'm gonna be brushing it out. Okay, so I actually took the hair off. Big hole in her head. I'm going to fill and dome her hair with clay, but I won't do that until I have the hair that I'm going to be using. So I actually fake hair extensions to the color of my hair, or somewhat close. I'm going to try to dye this because it is already straight, and I have them in small little bits, so hopefully I'll be able to attach them with the clay and it to dry that way, and it works way better with hair like this. Okay. I have somewhat painted the hair black. Some of it is still brown. It looks dark brown, but I think that's the best we're gonna get, unless when it's on the doll I'll be able to paint it black while it's in the braids, but we will see how that works out. I'll rip that brush. Okay, I wanted to take this moment and to explain how I did the hair. I took it all out of what I just did, and I did crisscrossy motions, and then I added some bangs, braided it up, put her on her stand, and I think our next challenge is to do her little makeup. And I also want to take the curling iron and just curl her bangs down a little bit over her face, like Wednesday's. So far, she's looking pretty cute. She's got brand new hair, and I love it. I hope she loves it. As you can see, it is mostly brown. The ends kind of got darker. I think it's because I didn't move it as much. But this paint is all over my floor because it fell out of her hair, which is okay. I think we can just paint over it when it is all done. So, fingers crossed for that. Okay, hair is situated, makeup situated somewhat, and now I'm going to probably just measure her and sew up some Wednesday Addams clothes. Okay, I'll do that and we'll get back to here. She just looks so amazing so far. Okay, I lied. I added some more detail to her face. I gave her some nail polish. And we are going to paint her hair together. And then I'm going to make her outfit while her hair dries. Hopefully making it easier in the end to just put the outfit on and be done. And not get the outfit all dirty with paint. So that's my goal. Hopefully I can do it without moving her hair too much and like disturbing it, the paint on it, because I don't want any more of this on my floor, because paint just doesn't stick to fake hair, unfortunately. But I absolutely love her face. This eye turned out way better than the other. Or just this side. Just look at this side, people. I'm kidding. But altogether, she is looking so much like Wednesday. I'm glad that this doll had little black boots, because it works out perfect for her. Okay, let's start painting her hair. The hair looks blacker than it was, and I'm so impressed on how it looks. My Wednesday is coming together. Out of all the buttons I own, I found these buttons that I think will work, but they are blue, so I will have to paint them black as soon as they are on the dress. But the best buttons that I have are holy buttons, which don't look like her dress exactly. So I have looked through all of my buttons, and these, I think, are the ones. Okay, what I have done is just taken her regular dress, kind of measured it out roughly, and I have measured out a Wednesday dress, and then I used fabric paint and painted up all of these little flower roses that her dress has. And then as soon as this dries by the heater, we will sew it all together. Okay, after multiple times stitch ripping, multiple times with the scissors, we have accomplished this little dress, which is perfect. And I can't wait to put it on with you guys. Actually, should I wait for a reveal? I'll wait for a reveal. Ready? Okay everyone, I hope you enjoyed my video as much as I did creating her. If you want to drop any ideas in the comments for a next video, I was actually thinking of making her a little hand for her shoulder. That would be amazing. I am grateful that this little doll came with boots that I could clean up, and they didn't, they were pretty worn when I got them, but I cleaned them up pretty well. But I'm so excited. She turned out so good. Oh, and her little fingernails. Okay guys, until next time, bye!